Hi, my name's Guy, and I'll be bringing to you a series of simple, short instructional videos on how to improve your photography with a smartphone. I spent 22 years in the Royal Navy, with the last 10 years as a Royal Navy photographer. For a series of photos, the most important thing I feel is to keep moving. It is the first thing I tell anyone who asks me how to improve their photography. So here we have my car. Let's take a few photos. You see that they are all at the same height and distance. They all look the same. So now I will take a new series and constantly change my phone height and distance. See the difference? You're telling a story, and I feel a much more interesting set of photos. Next time I'll start going through some examples of the suggested rules of photography. Thank you very much for watching.